Bonjour à toutes et à tous et bienvenue dans une nouvelle vidéo Learn to French. Je m'appelle Eden et je suis professeure de français. In this video, I am going to show you the basic way of reading numbers and how to read them in certain cases. Est-ce que vous êtes prêts? C'est parti. Écoutez, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have here the X is silent, the S is silent, and in 6 and 10, we have the S sound instead of the X sound. 6 et 10. And in 7, the P is silent. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's practice. Répétez, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Très bien. Now we are going to read 21, 31, 41, 51, and 61. You probably have noticed that we have E in between numbers here, and this means end. So we basically say 20 and 1, 30 and 1. But in this video, I am not going to show you how to count in French, only to read and pronounce the numbers. If you would like to know how to count in French, I am going to link a video right here. It should appear on the screen, or I am also linking it in the description box. So let's get back to our numbers. This is how you are supposed to read them. 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. Très bien. Have you noticed that we are linking 21, 31? So this is for pronunciation purposes. It should sound nice. So repeat after me. 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. You only link 20 and E, 30 and E, 40 and E, 50 and E, 60 and E, but not what comes after E. Whatever comes after E in French should not be linked with E. Now, we are going to read 71, 81, 91, and 101. Since here we also have an E, we're supposed to link 60 and E. 71, 81, 91. 101. So when there is no A, you don't link. Okay, now let's read it together. Repeat after me. 71. 81. 91. 101. Très bien. Now what happens in the case of numbers with the word en right after? So this is when you have to say your age. J'ai 1 an. J'ai 2 ans. J'ai 3 ans. J'ai 4 ans. J'ai 5 ans. So we link un and en. Deux with en. You should link whatever comes after the number. J'ai 1 an. J'ai 2 ans. J'ai 3 ans. J'ai 4 ans. J'ai 5 ans. Très bien. What about time? Well, if you would like to tell the time in French, then you have to link the number and the word heure, which means o'clock in this case. Now let's use the 24-hour system, which is the military time, which we use in France. Il est 1 heure. Il est 2 heures. Il est 3 heures. Il est 4 heures. Il est 5 heures. Il est 6 heures. Now let's repeat. Il est 1 heure. Il est 2 heures. Il est 3 heures. Il est 4 heures. Il est 5 heures. Il est 6 heures. Très bien. On continue. Répétez. Il est 7 heures. Il est 8 heures. Il est 9 heures. Il est 10 heures. Il est 11 heures. Il est midi. Noon. Between 9 and heure, the liaison should sound like the letter V. 9 heures. Il est 9 heures. And 10 and heure, just like 6 and heure, the liaison should sound like a Z. Il est 10 heures. On continue. Répétez. Il est 13 heures. Il est 14 heures. Il est 15 heures. Il est 16 heures. Il est 17 heures. Il est 18 heures. Il est 19 heures. Il est 20 heures. Il est 21 heures. Je répète, il est 21 heures. Il est 22 heures. Il est 23 heures. Il est minuit. Midnight. Cette vidéo est maintenant terminée. Merci de l'avoir regardée. Feel free to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Learn to French, or visit my website learntofrench.com if you want more content for French learners. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt. Au revoir.